Welcome to AAI Oriental Mix. Today we'll make a healthy, delicious Lebanese bread with lemon, rosemary and black pepper. Let's go! In a bowl, add 75 ml of water, a sprinkle of salt, around 1 teaspoon, 38 grams of sourdough, or you can use 7 grams of dry yeast followed by a teaspoon of honey or date sugar, which is helpful against diabetes. Mix until the sourdough is melt and then add 135 grams of whole wheat flour. Now mix well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Do you like cooking? I do. And I like to share my recipes with you, because cooking brings us together. You can also send the recipe to someone who loves bread, like me. You can switch from the bowl to a table, such as the table it's easier for kneading. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. You can make sourdough by using a piece of the dough we are preparing. If you like the recipe, please let me know. A smooth dough like that. You can make it a ball, put inside the bowl and cover it with a towel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in a dry place. Take back your dough. Put lemon skin on top and black pepper. Then add some rosemary. I use the fresh one, but you can use also the dry one. Then knead for incorporating all the ingredients. Once the ingredients are incorporated, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and knead again. Now shape the dough like a ball for help it rising and put it inside a bowl. Cover it with a towel or plastic wrap and store it in a dry and warm place like an oven turned off. Let it rise from 3 to 12 hours depending if you use dry yeast or sourdough. Put a sprinkle of flour on the table and take back your dough. And look how much it has risen! Now split it in 2 portions and form 2 balls by stretching the dough. Let these balls rest for 10 minutes. Another sprinkle of flour and take back one of the dough balls. Put some flour on top of it and flour also a rolling pin and roll out the balls into a flat disc. If it becomes sticky, just add some flour. It should be around 1 centimeter thick. Just like that. Let the discs rest for 10 minutes. Heat a pan over medium-low heat, and once hot, put a bread disc inside. Don't overcook it, just flip it to the other side. About every 30 seconds for 4 times. And once the bread is cooked, wrap it with a towel to keep it warm. And repeat the process with the other bread discs. Finally, our bread is ready. It is very soft to the touch and it smells amazing. And it tastes delicious and healthy. Shukran for watching. Leave a comment about your slimming journey. We'd love to hear your progress. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next healthy bread recipes. And I'll see you in the next video inshallah. With love and marakah, Chef Chano and Coach Murad.